Welcome to this walkthrough of the Assignment Manager located underneath the Instructor Tools in MyCounselingLab. The Assignment Manager is pre-populated with all of the exercises and licensure quizzes that are provided within the course. Within this frame, you're able to show all content, homework assignments, quizzes and tests. You'll notice that there's a topic button available, and I'm going to sort our topics to topic 3. This filtering option will minimize your view so you can concentrate in the area that you would like to work in. You'll notice that topic 3 is populated with exercises and licensure quizzes. You have the ability to make any adjustments to the content in these questions, along with modifying any class settings. In previous walkthroughs, we had mentioned that the default for MyCounselingLab is the ability for students to access these assignments unlimitedly. If I would like to alter that default, I can simply utilize my Actions bar and click on Settings for Class. The Settings for Class area will provide me with availability options. You'll notice that it will indicate an availability date and due date. You're able to indicate the number of attempts per assignment here. So if I would like my student to complete this in one setting, I can limit the attempt to 1. I also have the ability to enable a Save for Later option so students can stop working within the frame but then continue at a later time. In addition to the number of attempts, there's also the ability to set time limits. You are also able to alter the default results display. This will allow students to review their quizzes or homework after completion in the results area. The review options allow you as an instructor to define how the students review their work. In the results area, the student can link to their content and use it as a study guide. You can determine when the student can view the results and in what fashion they are able to. You'll notice that it's set for the score and question results, and students can review anytime after submitting. You have a few options here if you would like to modify that experience. I'm going to click Save, and I've now successfully applied my settings. If I would like to actually edit the material that is available within an assignment, for example, I would like to take a look at the licensure quiz before I offer it. Underneath that same action drop-down, I'm going to click Edit. This will provide me with the opportunity to change the naming convention of the homework, as well as take a look at the questions that are available within this licensure quiz. To preview this assignment, click View Student Homework for an overview. If you would like to make changes to this item, click on Preview and Remove. This will allow you to copy the existing question, but then use that as a foundation for a new question. After completing, you click Save and Exit. Now that we've taken a look at the available questions within this licensure quiz, we can move into the next frame where we are again brought to an availability screen. you'll notice that you're again able to set dates, but in this window you have the opportunity to limit the number of attempts per question. This will limit the number of times a student can work each question in this assignment. Now that we've walked through the ability to edit existing content as well as set availability terms for content, let's talk about assigning. There are two ways that you can assign work. You can utilize the Actions bar and simply click Assign and go to assign an item. If you are aware that you're going to have more than one assignment upcoming, you can use Change Dates and Assign Status. This will allow you to batch assign. For example, if I would like to assign all of Topic 3, I can click the left-hand box, which will apply the settings that I'm going to make to all of these components. Click Assign, indicate a start and end date, and click Apply to Selected. After I've applied these changes, I can update my changes, and I have now assigned all of Topic 3 to my students. The next piece of the Homework and Test Manager is the ability to create assignments. Click on the Create Assignment button, and you'll notice the options. Let's say, for example, we want to create a quiz. You'll start by naming the quiz and clicking Next. Again, within this frame, you'll notice the ability to filter. If I wanted to do a comprehensive licensure exam on Topic 3, I could click into Topic 3, make sure I'm covering all learning outcomes, and I can select the questions that I would like to add to my exam. Now I have a comprehensive licensure quiz that I can move forward with and assign to my students. If you have additional questions regarding the Assignment Manager and what we've covered, please utilize the question mark with a circle in the upper right-hand corner to review some of the aspects that we covered.